Greetings! Welcome back to Hands On with BLG. I am BLG. I am righty, right here. And I am lefty. Day 287. Starving to death. Supplies running low. There is no Spock to tell me what I can have for dinner tonight. Starving. Not really. I'm fixing to show you how to make the best of leftovers and a little bit of shit. Hang on a second. This is going to be awesome. And a little bit of shit that you got hanging around the house. Never thought of this little trick before. Thought of it. Now you thought of it. You make these like coney dogs and hot dogs and stuff. Why the fuck does a dog gotta stay in fucking shape? No. Not today. Not happening. I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna make a chili dog today. I got leftover chili, right chop, that I just took out of the freezer last night. Got this pan and this here spoon. I got leftover fried onion rings. Right chop. You see what I'm getting at, right? Yeah. I got leftover, I got cheese. I'm going to show you how to make the best and easiest eatable chili dog. Hot dog with chili. Hot dog with fucking anything. And a little hot dog bun you ever fucking seen. I got a cast iron skillet. It's my little guy. See, he's over here. He's getting all heated up. That's right. And we're going to put this on another small burner back over here. Now I'm going to turn this up, not up. This is on 6.5. It's a little bit too high actually. Probably want that at 5.5. I want this on low. This burner. Not high. No. I'm going to put that on about 5. 5, okay? Half and half. Let's go half and half. We'll do that. Okay? Now I'm going to set you over here. And we're trying to... Actually, can I set you over here and see both? I think I can. You're fucking right, I can. Okay, we're going to look at both. Now, I got my chili. It's going to come over hither. Right? On this burner. Getting warm. Nice. So, the chili is going in here. And I'm only going to do enough for one dog today. Because, well, it's just meat. There we go. Something like that looks like it'll... One more. A little bit of extra spillage. Never hurts, right? Let's do that. All right. And if I want another one tomorrow, I'll have another one tomorrow. Okay. Well, so that's heating up right there. Let's grab our little... This is a sausage dog with cheese. Like that. I'm going to fry that bitch up. Right? I'm just going to let that fry up. Do its beautiful thing. La la la. Want to smear out this chili. Get this warming up. See the steam coming up already. Let me get this chili warmed up a touch. Smear the boot. Yeah. Alright. We get this stuff working. I want that working and cooking. Oh yeah, we're looking good on that. I love cast iron skillets. Easy to clean. Easy to maintain once you get used to it. La 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 la. Oh fuck yeah, look at that rolling around. Getting all groovy looking. Not too much heat. Don't want to burn the shit out of everything. Fuck is my stirring spoon. Back over to the chili. Stir the chili, BLG. I got you. Better have it. Me and Lefty seem to run the show most of the time these days. Yeah, we're always doing the hard labor. BLG just thinks of this stuff and we, like, execute. Whoa, did you see that hot dog move? It's a cheese sausage. Johnsonville, bitter titter or something, whatever it said. There we go. Now we got the chili heating up. Right, Joe, how? You going still, buddy? Yeah, we're still going over here. Heat this bitch through. And we're gonna come back and have supper. Look. It keeps moving on its own. What's wrong with this thing, BLG? I guess it's just a reaction to heat, Righty. You know, you did an edit video with Lefty, but you've never done anything just with me. I was at the gas station in the truck, getting like candy bars and gum. Shut up, Righty. I'll get around to working with you, okay? Okay, cool. Is this going to move again on its own? Can I poke it? Well, yeah, that's what we're supposed to do. Oh yeah, now we're getting color. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Stir the chili, BLG. It's steaming again. Multitask, multitask. All right, that chili's warmed up. Taking it off. Doesn't take long to warm up a little bit of chili. This is going to take a little bit longer. There, see, we're getting explosions and stuff. Look at that. I think its pancreas just fell out. See that right there? Cool. We're gutting a sausage dog. I've been drinking too, like this. What do they call that? Shotgunning beers with a beer bong? I've been doing that all day while these guys have been clowning around with a shitter seat. Check out that video. I just posted it. Pretty cool. Saved a shitload of money. Shitload of money. Are we done yet? Just about, Righty. Turn that son of a gun. Thanks for hanging on to the fork. Roll that around like that. You can see some cheese bugging out right there. Look at the little cheese things bugging out of this thing. Now we're talking. Okay, turn that off. Off the burner you go. Okay. Now I'm going to take you over there. I'm going to build this thing. All right? You there, build. We're going to build this bitch. Let's do it. Have you got your shit figured out and in a line, sir? Yes, Lefty, I have. God damn it! Follow the instructions as per the plan. Yes, Lefty, I got you. All right then. Oh, hi guys. Let's carry on. The ultimate in hot doggy, chili doggy eating experience by BLG and me, Lefty, and Righty. Righty, can you come over here and say hi? Wait, where are you? You're over there. Hi. Hi, Righty. Hi, Lefty. Let's do this. BLG, you ready? You better be. Coming at you. Okay. We take cooked hot dog, sausage dog, whatever it is, and we do this. Yeah, we're doing this, but we're not just slicing it like slicing it. You see, hang on a second. Here's what we're going to do. I'm just busting it down right now, you see. Like this. Busting it down. Busting it down. Now, get rid of the fork. We're going to take back into the knife and we're going to chop this up. You see, we're going to chop it. Run across. Hold down the knife. Don't get your fingers under it. And we're going to chop this up. A little over here, a little over there. Done. Now, Now the next part is going to be cool. Put that in the sink. We take our chili right here. In you go, just like this here. In you go. You see where I'm getting at? Yeah. In you go. Who needs the hot dog fully intact when you can actually wrap it up? I'll take it. Fabulous Thunderbirds, wrap it up. And you stir the dog into, look at that, the chili. Less mess, less smear, less waste of time. Well, a little more waste of time. Look at that. Now you got your chili dog. Chili and dog. Yes, he's correct. Lefty is correct. Now you take a bun. Right? Chop. Bun. You take your chili dog, which is already processed for your little... Alright. Already processed for your little timid tummy. You tuck this bitch in like that. Look at this. There it is. It's all in there. Dog, chili, everything. Booyah, right? Now, take some cheese. Extra cheese. Extra cheese. Smack this up on him. La, da-da. Just like that right there. Boom! Little extra cheese action for you right there like that. And you take that and set that right here. Try to get a good picture. Just like this right here. Set that there. Now you take some of these onions, leftover fried onions. I made them like Spooner Drive kind of style onion rings. You can watch that. You can watch that video back in the day. That's what you end up with, folks. Right out. Get you some of this. There ain't no chew. There ain't no, oh my God, this hot dog is so fucking... There you go. It's all combined. Put your onion rings on the side. You can smack them on there, but there's onions in the chili, see? Homemade chili, yeah. And yes, Lambrook, there's beans in this chili. Look at that. You want some? You want some in your face? You want to sit on your brand new shitter lid? You want to poop that out in about 12 hours. So anyways, hope you liked the episode. Thanks for sticking with me. I hope you had some fun. I'm sure having fun. I'm kicking a pebble around somewhere stuck to my fucking foot. I don't know. Yes, I saw the rubber band on the floor. I gotta get that too. But anyway, I'll catch you next time, folks. I'll catch you. And for Hands On with Bill G, I am Bill G. Either me or me. You make that call. Not my fault. Not my fault. And I'm Lefty. Hi. And I'm Righty. Hooah, hooah, hooah. Anyways, you know what to do till next time, folks. That's right. Just peace out. And make your own custom chili dog. It's easier to chew, less messy. Out. I'll catch you next time. Just between you and me. Where? I don't know what that's going to be. No idea. Bye. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around
and